What if you could turn AI into your writing assistant and start earning from freelance gigs fast? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use ChatGPT for freelance writing, even if you're a total beginner. You'll learn how to write articles, blogs, emails, and more, how to get freelance jobs online using ChatGPT, and how to stay original and avoid AI detection. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what ChatGPT can do first. What exactly can ChatGPT do for freelance writers? Well, ChatGPT can brainstorm article ideas, write blog posts, social media content, and product descriptions, generate outline, headlines, and even catchy taglines, rewrite or proofread content, and save you hours of writing time. Interesting fact. Did you know 1 in 3 freelance writers now use AI tools like ChatGPT to speed up their workflow? It's not about cheating, it's about working smarter. But here's the key. You must guide ChatGPT the right way. Let me show you how. Step 2. Create a free ChatGPT account. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com and create a free account. You can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus later, but the free version is more than enough for basic writing tasks. Step 3. Start with a client scenario. Now let's imagine you've landed a freelance gig. Your client wants a 1,000-word blog post about top 5 digital marketing trends in 2025. Here's how to use ChatGPT step by step. Start with this prompt. With this prompt, Plod Writer. Write an SEO-optimized blog post titled Top 5 Digital Marketing Trends in 2025. Include a catchy intro, 5 sections with subheadings, and a conclusion. ChatGPT will generate a full draft instantly. But don't stop there. Step 4, customize. And make it human. AI writes fast, but clients want content that sounds natural. So next, review the output. Here's what to do. Read it out loud. Does it flow like a human? Add your voice, examples, stats, personal takes. Use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor to polish it. Break long paragraphs and add formatting like bullet points. Only tip, always rewrite at least 20% of the content to make it uniquely yours. Like step 5, offer different writing services. Freelance writing isn't just blog posts. Here are other writing gigs ChatGPT can help with. Email sequences, great for digital marketers. Product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Social media captions for brands. Ad copy. Short, persuasive writing for sales ebooks. And white papers, longer, more detailed gigs. Prompt example Takeout. And write 3 social media captions for a fitness coach promoting a new 30-day challenge. Step 6. Avoid AI detection. Some clients want human written-only content. Here's how to stay safe. Always edit and personalize the AI output. Run your final text through an AI detector like Originality. A focus on adding emotion, storytelling, and lived experience, things AI can't fake well. Bonus tip. Use AI to create the structure. You add the soul. Step 7. Find freelance jobs ready to make money. Here are platforms to find freelance writing gigs. Fiverr, create a gig like I will write blog posts using ChatGPT and edit professionally. Upwork, apply for writing jobs and mention you use AI to deliver fast people per hour. Freelancer, Com or LinkedIn jobs, and even Facebook groups for freelance writing opportunities. Tip, show client samples of your work. Use ChatGPT to build a small portfolio fast. Step 8. Bonus tips for success. Niche down. Pick 1-2 writing types and get really good at them. Build templates. Save your best ChatGPT prompts. Keep learning. Combine ChatGPT with tools like Surfer SEO or Jasper for higher paying gigs. So there you have it. A full tips on how to use ChatGPT for freelance writing. You now have the tools to turn AI into your writing partner and start earning online. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and check out my next video on top AI tools to make money in 2025. See you there!